Hello, and welcome to my submission for assignment 0, the Pong game for CS50 GameDev, Intro to GameDev. So for the assignment, which was to create an AI controlled paddle, I implemented what I call the practice mode that includes the AI controlled paddle. So I kept in the user versus user option, allowing two users to play each other. So one controls the paddle on the left using the WS keys, and the other controls the paddle on the right using the up-down keys, as was provided in the example. So at the login screen here, we are now greeted with "Welcome to Pong. Press 1 for play mode or 2 for practice mode." So play mode is obviously user versus user. So if we do that, we can see that the code is still the same. So control the right paddle, as I mentioned, with up-down keys, and the left paddle with W and S. Still goes up to 10. That's all pretty much the same. So if we are going to then show the practice mode here, the practice mode. So we'll press 2 here for practice mode. Enter, and you can see the paddle on the left, or on the right, excuse me, is now the AI paddle. And then the user controls the paddle on the left. Paddle on the right is the AI controlled computer paddle, and the paddle on the left is now the human one. And the human one can be controlled using either the WS keys or the up-down keys. And how I did this is I created another kind of serve category that was serve practice or serve play, so that it knew whether to knew what game state was in, to then go to the right game state of either play or practice, and then just changed the game state. If it's in practice, player 1 can move the paddle, as mentioned, with the WS or the up and down, and then the AI paddle moves relatively slowly to begin with. So I took the paddle speed and took it in half, so that the AI control paddle wasn't that good. So as the ball speeds up and as the user gets farther in the game, they definitely have an advantage, just so that the computer wasn't impossible to beat. And then, as I mentioned, the play state is still the same. So that is how I finished the assignment and implemented the AI control paddle. Thank you.